to use more warm lighting. Yeah, I like this. Cap collection. Let's get it. Hand me down from Jaden. Good looks. My favorite Toledo Mud Hens cap. Fitted. My own custom 2021 grad cap. Fitted. Funky bucket hat I think I got from Forever 21. Supreme. Beanie. Little Carhartt. Little trucker. Las Vegas souvenir cap my mama got me. Thanks, mommy. OPR. Yellow camo. Trucker. Colorado Rockies. Fitted. IKEA. Bucket. Pray for Pray. Ooh, what the hell? Trucker cap. I forgot what this says. 9 apparels. Overthinkers Club. Trucker. Navy. 49 grand. Beanie. Polo Ralph Lauren. Beanie. California Angels. With the custom gold nail on the back. Fitted. Toledo Mud Hens. Fitted. San Francisco. What team is this? Hold on. I'm not trying to cheat. It's not the Padres. We got Anaheim. We got the Dodgers. San Francisco Giants. Fitted. Grand Girl. Trucker. Chicago White Sox. The custom made. Fitted. Baby beanie. Thrifted. And athletics to match the jersey. Fitted. 49 grand. Trucker. Pray for Pray. Throwback. Snapback. Uniqlo. X Marni. Beanie. 49 grand. Black. Beanie. Polo Ralph Lauren. Strap back. Fear of God. Wool. Fitted. 49 grand. Anaheim Angels. Fitted. The Pray for Pray. I think this is a baklava. The reversible daddy. Another Toledo brand. Slow motion. Snapback. And I only work out in this one. Red Sox. Strap back. I love a hat. Period.